Hey guys, we're here and we just got back from school, which is right there, because we ran back here and she was right there, and it's really fucking scary, niggas. And yeah, I'm probably gonna blur that out because I forgot to blur it out. Yeah. And okay. And yeah, and my friend Noah's back there having trouble with his stuff because he just took my phone out back. And those guys and our friends just got too scared when he was back there, so they ran all the way up there. And then all these and look. We went all the way back there, and it was really effing scary. So yeah, and yeah, so you should subscribe on that button. And if I could get 4,000 likes and subscribers, probably I'm gonna go back here recording. And yeah. So yeah, okay, now let's do this.
These two look alike. With you?
The big disappointment. Well, they're being dumb saying that we're gonna go back, but I'm going back there, so yeah.
Hello, neighbor.
You guys should really come.
We're making a horror movie.
Yeah.
What the fuck? You guys are gonna get raped? He's getting beat up. I'm running.
Yeah, now all you guys want to join. Yeah.
Their lips.
My stupid friends.
I'm stupid. I'm not your friend.
Yeah.
The only friend you have is Noah.
You're Mikey.
And Mikey.
Come on, you kids.
They could go, but you have to go, Mikey. Let's go.
Don't think that's going to happen, Mikey. I'm going to have to put you down like a dog because you won't come. You smell like nuts. Even whenever that clown was chasing us back there. Stop throwing them at me. Throw them at her. No, throw them at her. I'm recording.
Stupid.
I'm running. Shots are fired. Shots are fired. Shots are fired. Shots are fired. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys. Holy damn, that kid's crazy. I just scared the living life out of me, bro. Oh my fucking god. That we were blocking that kid was just right there. He kept on telling us to get out, and then he started smiling at us, bro. Damn. This kid's really crazy, man. Drop 10,000 likes on the video and 10,000 subscribers. Can't actually record myself going back there. Yeah, hell yeah! Drop them effing life. Well, trash! Look at that trash right there. He can't even hit anyone with those rocks. He thinks he's a big boy. He's a grown-up guy. Look at her being all stupid with her songs. Look at her trying to dance. And that's just the end of the video. Yeah. Okay, bye.